Okay, so the next problem we have is integral of cos 2x minus cos 2 theta and cos square x minus cos theta divided by, right? So we have to find basically the integral of this. Now cos 2x can be written as what? 2 cos square x minus 1. So we can break cos 2x as 2 cos square x minus 1, and I can write cos 2 cos square x minus 1 and minus of same thing, cos 2 theta can also be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1 and divided by cos square x minus cos theta. I think it is cos x only. Is it? So there is no square. Make a correction. So this is cos x only, right? Now you see this minus is there, no, and this will become plus. So this 1 and 1 get cancelled. So in the numerator I will left with 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square theta, because minus this will open the bracket and this will become, and dx will continue like this, and divided by what? Cos x minus cos theta. Now 2 can be taken out. We can take common 2 cos square x minus cos square theta, and this can be written as cos x minus cos theta dx. Now just see one thing, that a square minus b square, it is, the numerator is becoming the form of a square minus b square, and which can be simply written as a plus b into a minus b. This can simply be written as a plus b and a minus b, correct? And this will be cos x minus cos theta. Okay, now I can cancel out this part. Cos x minus cos theta and cos x minus cos theta can be cancelled out. So now finally we have to integrate only what? This thing, 2 times of integral of cos x plus cos theta and dx, right? So see carefully, this is dx, no? So cos theta will act as what? A constant, because cos theta will have some values, right? So the integral of cos, it will become what? This will become 2 sin x, and this will become 2 sin x, and this will become what? Since this is acting as constant here, no, cos theta. So I can write here x into cos theta, x into cos theta and plus c. So final answer, if you want to open it, you can open it, no problem. So this will act as 2x cos theta and plus c, right? 2x cos theta plus c. So this will be your final answer.